Hey cutlery lover, I am hoping to win your Halloween edition Zippo, and here are the videos that I found with your name spelled backwards. The knife review, Benchmade Model 42 Balazong, cooking shrimp scampi, Glock adjustable trigger, safety concern, part 1 of 2, primitive fire, flint and steel, and Zippo tricks number 6, flesh torch. I hope to win that Zippo because I just thought that it would be cool to have a Zippo to do, well, one of your Zippos that you do your tricks on. Well, no, one of your Zippos to do the tricks that you invented, or whatever. Alright, bye.